Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I am on the spinner and I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to place down some white pillow paint and I've got these colours here. I've got sky blue, bright blue, tangerine I haven't used before, some gold and some bronze, and I'm going to use a little bit of Prussian phthalo blue. I'm also going to use a hairdryer. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start by pouring on my pillow paint. It's just getting a little bit low now because I've used it a fair bit recently. So this is my British Paints interior walls in the low sheen. So I'm going to pop that on first. So I'm going to go for a bit more colour than I have been. And I'm going to pour on some paint first. So the plan here is I'm going to pour it on. This is an experiment. I'm going to pour it on. I'm going to blow it with the hairdryer. And then I'm going to do my swipe afterwards. Well, like maybe a loaded, I'm not sure actually. So let's just get started. I don't want to go crazy with the colour still. Some of that bright blue. Maybe I'll do all the blues first. And I want to put a pop of this orange on. I just thought, oh, I might get a little bit of colour doing that. And then the bronze. And then I was like, well, now do I put a swipe mix on top instead of this gold? Maybe I'll put the gold swipe mix. And it might do, because I haven't been very good at blooms, but this might give a bit of a bloom effect. I don't know, because this is my gold swipe mix. Let's try it. I'll blow that a bit. I think I'm going to end up going off the edge really early. And then I'll do a loaded palette knife. Okay. I like this bit through here. Not sure about that. Alright, palette knife. Okay, I have to go get one. Okay, I think I'm going to go black. Black swipe mix. And I'm going to pop my colours on. Particularly the blues. And some gold. And bronze. Nice, I like that. Already losing that off the side, am I? Not quite. I'm going to try something like that again. I really love the bright blue. It's so pretty. So let's go with a bit of that and get some of the light blue in. Okay. and scoop this. And over here, scoop it as well. And scoop this. I'm gonna lose this, I think, here. One more. Pity. I really like that. I think I'm going to lose that. Maybe I can get it here. Okay, not sure about this. Let's give it a spin. I do like this bit back here, but I'm not sure about this bit down here. I don't like it. Don't like it. Okay. Going to pour over it. While we can make use of the paint that's on there. Because I've got a small area, I'm going to go loaded palette knife again. But I'm not going to have anything in the background. I'm going to put a little bit of gold swipe mix on this. Right, I'm going to have to go through that again. Oh, I don't know. Let's give it a go. Give it a spin. I hope it works out better than the first spin. Okay, I'm not going to spin it anymore because I'm going to lose too much of the colour. But I'm much happier with that than I was with the previous. It's given me an idea though. I'll bring you in for a wet look. Okay, here is the wet result. Now, I love these pops on the sides, but there's something missing from the middle. And I'm thinking of going again straight away and trying something different. I think the best way to learn is to do it now rather than wait. So, yeah. The things that I like are on the outside, so I need to get that in the middle. Let's give it a go. Okay, here is the dry result. Now, I know I said I was going to do another one straight away, and I did, but I'm going to save that for a video on its own because it turned out really good. So I'll show you this one dry, and the colours, the blues, I really like them. They're very pretty. The lacing through here also is very good. I might just digitally zoom you in because it'll be clearer, but we've got sort of like an outline cartoony look there, and then over here It's soft, but as I said, there's something wrong with the middle. Like if I could just have this bit here, that looks pretty good. But you know, it's probably appeals to somebody. The edges turned out all right too. That's one of the things I like about this technique, is I'm able to get the edges better on the spinner. So yeah, it's great to experiment, guys. And I learnt a lot from this, and I put it into action, and you're going to see what that looks like in the next video. So that's it for this one, and I will see you all there. Bye.